So we're going to find the derivative of f of x when f of x is equal to sine of 3 times the natural log of x. So for this problem, what I'm kind of seeing is that I am going to have a chain rule. It doesn't really look like any product rules because I'm not multiplying two functions by each other looking at this. Instead, I have a function inside of another function. And so looking at what the chain rule tells us, we know that if we're taking the derivative of this, we get the derivative of our outside function with the inside function replacing the x times the derivative of our inside function. So if our outside function is equal to sine x, and then our inside function is equal to 3 times the natural log of x, the derivative of our outside function is equal to cosine x, and then the derivative of our inside function is equal to 3 times 1 over x, which is equal to 3 over x. And so now what I'm doing is I'm taking my outside function, which is sine x, and then the derivative of that outside function, which is cosine x. So I have cosine, but instead of writing x, I'm going to write this g of x on the inside, and that is replacing my x here. So instead of writing x, we're writing that g of x function, which g of x is 3 times the natural log of x, and then all we have to do is multiply it by the derivative of g of x, which is times 3 over x. And so my answer ends up being 3 cosine 3 times the natural log of x, all divided by x.